according to someone's claim, these are not drones over the tri-state area, but Bluebeam holograms, and these holograms disappear when drones and planes get too close to them. So are we to be preparing for a supposed alien invasion, is the question. These are not drones, Bluebeam holograms, so they disappear when planes and drones go too close to them. Soon we will begin to see strange things around us in the world, and this is not only the tri-state area that this is going on in, but the whole of the United States, also the UK and Germany, and various other locations. Now, in fact, there will be often actual planes that will go through these things. At some point, their alleged craft will land, who knows, in some important city. People will be, because of this, televised, of course, could be terrified. All means of mass deception will talk about a supposed extraterrestrial invasion. And what will governments do? Well, we know that the United States is not doing anything up to now. This has been going on since November 18 in the tri-state area. So will the governments plan some kind of a global government? We don't know. There are various videos going up on the internet, social media, every single night, especially in the tri-state area. There was quite a few videos showing drones going through these plasma lights, these balls of white light, and going in, merging with them, coming back out. In other words, if there were actual craft, that would not be possible, right? Because of the material aspect of whatever was up there. But if it's immaterial, obviously the drones or planes would go right through it, which is what we have seen on videos. Now let's see what the officials will come out with as an explanation. As we know, President-elect Donald Trump asked that the truth come out and be told to the public as soon as possible. And this is developing every day. Please leave your comments about this, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.